Hello students, welcome to SOURAV's classes. Today we'll be solving the ISI MSQE question paper of year 2016. Today we'll be solving question number 11 and question number 12 from the same paper. Let's begin with question number 11. In question number 11 it is said that if f of x is equal to a plus x upon b plus x whole to the power a plus b plus twice x, then f dash 0 equals, these are the options that are given. So we are given f of x, we have to find out f dash x. So given that f of x is equal to a plus x upon b plus x whole to the power a plus b plus twice x. As we can see, this is a function where x is in the exponent. So in such kind of things we take log on logarithmic on both sides. So that implies log of f of x is equal to, this comes down, a plus b plus twice x into log of a plus x minus log of b plus x on differentiating. Now we'll differentiate both sides. On differentiating we get 1 by f of x into f dash x. This is equal to 2 into log of a plus x by b plus x plus a plus b plus twice x into 1 by a plus x minus 1 by b plus x. So this implies that f dash x upon f of x is equal to 2 log of a plus x by b plus x plus a plus b plus twice x upon a plus x into b plus x into b minus a. So this is the expression that we'll be using. Now in place of x, if we put x equal to 0, in that case we get f dash 0 by f of 0 is equal to 2 log a by b plus a plus b plus twice, that is a plus b into b minus a, that will be equal to b square minus a square a into b. So this will be BAB. Now f of 0 from definition we get as a by b to the power a plus b. So this implies that f dash 0 is equal to f of 0 into 2 log a by b plus b square minus a square by ab. So this implies that f dash 0, now f of 0 is a by b to the power a plus b into 2 log a by b plus b square minus a square by ab, and this is the option B. Now let's move on to the next question. In the next question, which is question number 12, it is said that a bag contains 2 red, 2 green, 3 green and 2 blue balls. Now 2 balls are drawn at random without replacement from this bag. Then we have to find out the probability that none of the balls drawn is blue. And the options are 10 by 21, 11 by 21, 2 by 7 and 5 by 7. So basically in a bag there are 2 red, 3 green and 2 blue balls. And out of this, now from this we have to check out the probability that when we are drawing two balls from this bag, we do not get any blue balls. So now let's check out the probability of that happening. Now there are two red balls, three green balls and two blue balls. So if we take out two balls from this collection, the total number of ways will be total ways to take out two balls from the bag. That will be equal to, the total number of balls is 7 and we have to take out two balls, so it will be 7C2. Now the number of ways in which no blue ball is taken is equal to, that means we have to keep aside those two blue balls, and out of the remaining 5 balls we have to select the 2 balls. So there will be 2 plus 3, there are 5 balls. From 5 balls we have to take out 2 balls, so that will be 5C2. And in that case, required probability will be equal to 5C2 upon 7C2, and this is equal to 5C2 is 5 into 4 into 2 upon 7 into 6 into 2, 2 cancels out, 2, 3, this comes down to 10 by 21, which is the option A. So today we have solved question number 11 and 12 from the ISI MSQE question paper of year 2016. We will be solving the next questions in the subsequent videos. Till then, keep watching SOURAV's classes videos for more solutions and content. Thank you very much.